So here's the scoop. I haven't been doing a lot of videos or anything, but I have just decided to come back, start fresh, recommit to I don't know, my passion of serving others and helping, especially creative entrepreneurs, really be able to eat no matter what's going on in the world. My name is Tera Greene, also known as DJ Nova Jade. I'm an award-winning DJ, and I love to perform and do all this extra, gigging out and everything. But in the last year, things happened, and it really, really just put a lot of clarity on where I wanted to go with my own career and how I wanted to serve others as I move forward. So in case you're new to my channel, this is the first time I'm just literally just turning on the camera and not trying to, come up with anything. I'm just coming off the cuff. But I really wanted to just share that in this process of really understanding where I'm going with my journey. I mean, I've been almost going into 18 years as an award-winning DJ. I've had a lot of great experience, but last year, when everything kind of shifted in the world, I had a lot of reason to go back to some of the other things that I had already been doing alongside of my passion and my long-term career. Now, I'm still going to be doing music. I'm still going to be sharing that gift that I have with the world in many different capacities. And I've been working on a lot of production over the last year. But I also have been really focusing on mentoring others. So tomorrow I have a couple of sessions with someone I'm mentoring, and it's just super fun. But also, the youth, giving back to them. I had an opportunity to go and mentor 20 youth in a middle school here in where I live. And it was just so rewarding, even in spite of all the things that were going on in the world last year. So with that said, I wanted to say that this channel may be going through a little bit of changes and shifts, but it's all in the direction of helping, especially creative entrepreneurs, but helping people who want to start an online business to really navigate it. So I'm really looking to help beginners, startups, but especially those folks who are like me, who are creative, who want to learn how to make a living with your creativity online. I'm not doing as many live shows out, in the real world, but I am still available online, and I'm really just going to be putting myself out there and helping to bring others with me, because here's the secret. There's a lot of opportunity and potential in just doing things online. Just going to say that. So with that said, I want to help you if you are a creative entrepreneur, if you are someone who is looking to get into affiliate marketing, if you are someone who wants to start an online business, or if you want to grow an online business. I want to be able to serve that for you, while also, sharing some of my creativity, my business, which is, music, with you as well. So that is the plan. That is what I'm going with. I wanted to create this quick video, but also because I think it's really important to let you know, I have a lot of mentors behind me, and I am super grateful for all the training and all the wisdom that I have with not only just in marketing and online marketing and internet business, but as I come back online and, and I still do my music. That is a lifelong journey for me. I do want to say that there are so many things that I'm going to be talking about that I think will blow your mind, and that will help hopefully make this online stuff just more clear. Because look, I've been around for a while online, and I've dabbled, and now I'm ready to just go full in. So full time with, creating, but online. And I really want to also help you to really understand that no matter what's happening in the world, you can eat. And that is a very big passion of mine, because I am also a health coach. And, we are people who love to help folks, and especially, with my training as an integrative nutrition health coach, I'm all about how do things fit together as one whole to make you whole. And so that's what I wanted to come on today and say. I've been doing a lot of learning, and I'm just ready to give and share all this learning and all this wisdom and all this experience, as a creator, as a producer, but also as someone who can really, pay, has the skills to pay the bills online. And if that's gonna, help you, then please subscribe, give this a little like, comment, let me know what you're interested in, let me know how I can actually serve you. What are questions that you have about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, how to, maybe get more traffic. Oh, spoiler alert, traffic. I'm going to leave a link down below because there's an awesome way to get more free traffic here on YouTube. And, I think it's a very good idea. Just saying. But just going to put that out there. Or just, really how to, have confidence on screen if you want to do that, or not on screen, but really just help you shine your light in your creativity, as a creative entrepreneur, as an artist, as a musician, as a beat maker, as however you identify, a coach. I love working with coaches as well. And if you're just someone who wants to just be a digital marketer or an affiliate marketer, just being online it's where we are, and I want to help you with that. So I hope you will subscribe, like, send me some comments, let me know, how can I serve you, how can I help you? And thank you for listening, and I hope that we have a good journey together. Peace out. Tera Greene. Thanks for watching.